In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Google Sheets offline. Start by opening your web browser and going to Drive Google.com. Once Google Drive loads, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. In the General tab, scroll down to the Offline section. Check the box that allows you to create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files while offline. Give Google Drive a moment to finish setting everything up. Next, make sure the Google Docs offline extension is enabled in Chrome. If you do not have it installed, search for it and add it, then return to Google Drive. Now find the Google Sheet you want to use offline. Hover over the file, click the 3 vertical dots on the right, and select Make Available Offline. That's it. Your spreadsheet is now ready for offline use. When you do not have an internet connection, open Google Drive as usual and access the file. Any changes you make will automatically sync once you're back online. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.